but today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the deformed centrosphere. This is a centrosphere. It is similar to a 3x3 and the pieces are also the same. Center, center, edge, edge, edge. And the corner, you might think, if you see this puzzle, you might be like this corner can move, but if you can see here, it's like glued in. So this is a corner, and this corner might be because this is a mini cube and it can help you identify this corner faster. Let me tell you the movements of this cube. R goes up, R prime goes down, L prime goes up, L goes down, U goes towards your left, U prime goes towards your right, D prime goes towards your left, D goes towards your right, F goes towards your left, F prime goes towards your right, B goes towards your left, B prime goes towards your right. So let's start solving this puzzle. Now let's start scrambling this puzzle. Little hard to scramble. Okay, this looks good enough. Okay, the first step is that you have to build a cross. So you can choose any color cross, but I'm going with white cross. So we'll first start with putting a white center in place, just a white corner in place. This is a white corner. We're going to, it's a little hard to turn, but we're going to put it in, and then we're going to align this edge with its center, just like that. And now we have to do that for all the edge pieces. There we go. If you have one stuck here in the middle there, just do a D move. So then it's here, and then push it in, and then undo that D move. And then here you can put this edge in, just like that. Now let's put the corners in the bottom layer. First we look for a white corner in the top layer. Here's one white corner. We're going to put it on top of its slot just here. This is its slot. The blue and green, the blue and red centers, they're right there. And this corner is the white, blue and red. So we're going to put it right here, and we're going to do this simple formula. R, U, R prime, U prime. So that didn't solve it, but we are going to keep on doing it. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so now we have to do that with the next white corner, this white corner. We're going to put it on top of its slot here, and we're going to do R, U, R prime, U prime. And now for these two corners. So these two corners are already in the spot. So the easiest thing to do is twist it. But it doesn't twist. How will you twist it? We'll do the same formula again. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, let's see if this worked. If maybe 3 corners are solved, so then 1 corner could twist. No, it doesn't work. So we'll do the formula again. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. There we go, our first layer is solved. So now let's move on to the second layer. I'm going to put the formula right up here for some easy reference. So let's start. First we're going to find a corner, an edge in the top layer that doesn't have yellow on it because white is opposite to yellow. So here's one edge. So this is the right side insert. The formula is right up here. Okay, that's one edge. 3 more to go. So now we're going to put this other edge right in the top layer. So here it goes. So this is the left algorithm right up here. Okay, so this is another right insert because it's already aligned. So easy, like this. And we have the last edge that is right here. So this is the left insert. This is. Okay, let's move on to the next layer. Okay, so we have completed more than half the cube now. So now we're going to move on to the last layer. There are 3 cases you can get in the last layer for building the cross. That is all edges not oriented, just like I have. Now I'm going to show you the 9 o'clock case. So the 9 o'clock case is like the line case, but it's the opposite algorithm. The F moves will be the same, but then the other part will be different. So hold it so it's like 9 o'clock, just like this, and do this formula. And there you go, your cross is done. Now let's move on to the no edges oriented case. So for this algorithm, it's right up here. You two. There you go, your cross is solved. Now we will put the edges in the right spot. First we are going to look for 2 edges that are solved just like this, and 2 edges that are not solved just like this. So from this angle you're going to hold it so that it's just like the 9 o'clock case, but then the edges, these solved edges make it like the 9 o'clock case. So then you'll do this formula. And then you'll do some moves to solve that edge. There you go. Your edges are in the right spot. So let's put the corners in the right spot. So to do it, it's the easiest step in the puzzle. You'll have to also orient it and put it set. First, turn a layer 45 degrees just like this. Then try and pull out a piece. It doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Let's learn the algorithm now. The algorithm is right up here. So there's no corners in the right spot. We'll do the formula just once. There should now be one corner in the right spot. See? Check. And is there? Yes, there is. We'll hold it on our left bottom. Do the formula again from this angle. Oh, the blue side is solved. That's cool, but we're not going to worry about that. Do the formula again. Oh, this is actually a very easy COLL. If you know COLL, you can do it, but I'm just teaching beginner's method right now. And is that over? Yes. Good job, you're on the last step. And the easiest step of all. Twist the corners. Don't mean literally do this, I mean do it with the formula. So what you're going to do is hold the unsolved corner just like this. It is solved but not technically because it's not twisted, right? So you're going to twist this corner. Hold it so that white is facing the top and the unsolved corner, or like the twisted corner, is like on the bottom side here, just like this. And then you have, for me I have 2 corners, but you can have 3 corners or 4 corners twisted, or you can even get a skip maybe and have 0 corners twisted, but you can never have 1 corner twisted. So then let's do the formula. It's the same formula we did to put the corners in the right spot in the first layer. R, U, R prime, U prime. That formula. And make sure don't mess this one up because this cube is a little hard to turn. Then if you mess it up, you'll have to do the same thing over and over again. Okay. There we go. And there we go. Hope you didn't mess up because this cube is solved. Bye. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, comment on this video. Last but not least, make sure to smash that subscribe button and make the bell ringing so you can get all my notifications.